The Police Regional Office 11 took note of information provided by Australian counterterrorism experts regarding the identified suspects as Sajid Akram, 50 years old, and Navid Akram, 24 years old, who were allegedly linked to the Islamic State and reported to have traveled to the Philippines for training. Based on the investigation conducted, PRO 11 confirmed that the two individuals arrived in Davao City and stayed in GV Hotel for almost a month before leaving the area. Upon confirmation, PRO 11 immediately conducted backtracking operations to establish their movements during their stay. This included the review of CCTV footages, hotel records, travel data, and other available intelligence information. These efforts were carried out in close coordination with the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, the National Bureau of Investigation, and other intelligence units and concerned agencies. PRO 11 also examined any activities they may have conducted during their stay, including identifying the individuals they interacted with and assessing possible links or support networks. Investigation and interagency coordination remain ongoing to ensure that all relevant information is thoroughly assessed and acted upon. I assure the public that PRO 11 remains steadfast in maintaining the peace and order of Davao Region.